Oh look, there. Oh, there we go. Focus.
It takes forever to focus.
Well, I'm gonna enjoy this. Any last words before I kill you?
Get out of here.
So now that I see that this is, hopefully it'll focus eventually. Now that I see that this is working, let's go grab a hammer so we can bang it down. Matter of fact, video right above his head. Go check it out. He's got some fun stuff up there. So, because you guys couldn't hear me probably the last time, let me just show you what's going on. We were watching Beavis and Butthead.
Yeah, we were watching Beavis and Butthead.
Yo, and tell them, we used to watch it as kids.
Yeah,
and literally, it was
10 or 11 or 12.
Yeah, and it was the funniest thing in the world.
Yeah, he's smudging up the camera, guys. He's smudging it up.
My camera knows it's cold as hell in here. And while doing that, let me show you the progress that was made. So here's how it looks now. The vent's clean. Sometimes we don't always need to do car stuff, especially in this warehouse. This shit needs to get put back together so that way we could run it the way we would want to.
Really, nigga?
Right now we're gonna go get some gas. Can use the extra gas to fill up some of the cars so we can get them running, shit like that. Hopefully, just stay tuned for John's channel. You'll check it out.
To charge my camera battery, like always, guys.
A few moments later.
Oh my goodness. It looks a lot brighter in here. Me and John went to to the gas station. We went to Harbor Freight. We went to Burger King. And now we're back at the shop. Got some lights at Harbor Freight. I'm not gonna lie. Just take a look.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're here in the last clip. Arkel told you guys about the lights. Let's just show you guys exactly what these lights look like. Now, if you look up, you see some bullcrap ceiling lights, but if you look over here, you see some nice Harbor Freight lights. I like the way it fits the room. It fits the room very snug. Look, as you can see, this is a quick installment, guys. Look, just tucked it over here. Hit the wire, tucked it right there. We didn't go too crazy yet. We're literally just seeing how it looks. Right now, we're just getting the idea of how the light projects. Pretty much seeing how we want to have the light in the shop to illuminate, you know? It makes the cars look very nice, so it's not just depending on the above lighting. It's now getting that side profile lighting too. So yeah, guys, 2 thumbs up. I like it. I think this is a nice investment we did, sir.
Arigato gozaimasu. I feel like the lights came out pretty good in here. It helped brighten up my part of the shop's workspace. And to be honest, the light set, I think, it's on sale right now. But it was only like 60 bucks. Looks so much better in here. Yes, sir. New lights made such a difference. No, this isn't a sponsor. I was just trying to do some tidying up around the shop. Hope you guys like what you saw. I'm gonna head home though. Really gotta take a piss. Really gotta take a... Really needed to shower, if I'm being honest.
My boy about to take a big Bronson
Tsunami!
dookie in there.
Nah. Basically, it looks good though. I'm gonna head home super tired. I really gotta take a...
Off the back!
Tsunami.
I'm just kidding. Like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
What's poppin'?
the minute to your